Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Sessions, and today we will learn how we can use Chat GPT to understand the Excel formulas and to create Excel formulas or VBA scripts. Chat GPT is an artificial intelligence language model. It can understand and respond to human language just like you are communicating with someone. You can ask any question to ChatGPT and it will generate human like responses. You can ask any question in the text field at the bottom of the page. ChatGPT will show the responses. Remember, ChatGPT is a text based artificial intelligence and hence it can't show images. To use ChatGPT, open this link. The link is available in the description section also. If you are using ChatGPT first time, create your account, click on sign up button, enter email ID and press continue button, enter the password and press continue button, select the checkbox. To verify your email, click the button, open email from sender OpenAI and click on verify email address button. Enter your first and last name and click continue button. Enter your phone number, click on yes and press send code button. Enter the code you received on your mobile. It will open ChatGPT. It has a very simple user interface. So let's see how ChatGPT can help us in Excel. We will see simple examples first and then we will proceed for complex examples. You can learn about any Excel formula in ChatGPT. For example, if you want to know about count function, submit your question. ChatGPT will give you the details of count function. It will show why count function is used and what is the syntax with example. If you need more example, you can ask for another example and ChatGPT will show another example of count function. Similarly, you can ask the difference between two functions and ChatGPT will show the details of both functions. In this sheet, I have used index match formula to get the longest word in the given list. If the function used is not clear, then you can ask the same to ChatGPT and it will show the steps how this formula works. You can learn any Excel feature, for example, conditional formatting using ChatGPT. In this example, we have employee data and would like to highlight all rows where location is Noida. Go to ChatGPT and type your question with all the details. Submit the question. ChatGPT will generate all the steps you should perform. Now follow all the steps, copy the code and paste in the field. Follow other steps as given in ChatGPT. Conditional formatting will be applied to this data as required. You can create formula in ChatGPT as per your requirement. For example, in this sheet, we have salary in column D. If you don't know how to show the total of salary in cell F2, go to ChatGPT and type your question in detail. Now submit your question. ChatGPT will generate the result. Click on copy code link and paste in your sheet in cell F2 and it will show the output. In another example, we have employee data. The role of employees are in another field called roles. Corresponding employee ID are also given. Now to get the roles of each employee in data sheet, we have to use VLOOKUP function. Now if you need VLOOKUP function for this data, we can use ChatGPT. So go to ChatGPT, type your question with all the details, submit your question. ChatGPT will explain the VLOOKUP function with the formula with we should use and the details of each parameter used so that if required you can tweak the formula. Now copy the formula using copy code link, paste the formula in cell F2 and drag it to copy in all the below rows. The formula will generate the required result. In the same example, if you want employee ID of given employee name, you can't use VLOOKUP function because the lookup value should be in left hand side of table array and the required value should be in the right side of the table array. Type your question in detail, submit your question. Chat GPT will generate the result and the formula we can use to get the required output. Now copy the code and paste in cell I2. It will show the employee ID of given name in cell H2. Now change the employee name and it will change the employee ID. We can use Chat GPT to create VBA scripts also. So for example, you need VBA script to copy the content from data sheet to a new sheet. So go to Chat GPT and type your question in detail. It will generate the code and the method to open the VBA editor also. So follow these steps and copy the code in the VBA editor. Now run the macro and it will create a new sheet and copy the data from data sheet to a new sheet. So in this way, you can use ChatGPT to understand the Excel formulas, to create the Excel formulas, and to create VBA scripts. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Thanks for watching.